Good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'm audible. Good morning.
मैम ज्योमेट्रिक में सर मैम नॉट इन ऑल बता रहा है सब्जेक्ट में।
नॉट इनरोल बता रहा है किसका? रोशन कुमार।
यस मैम।
ये तुम्हारा फर्स्ट क्लास है?
नहीं मैम, अगला बार बोले थे आपके संतोष सर के, बोले तो संतोष सर के बोले कल मैसेज दिए सर कि मैं टीचर को बोला जाए।
सर्वेइंग एंड जियोमेट्रिक फोर्थ सेमेस्टर चेक कर रहे हो ना?
क्या मैम?
सर्वेइंग एंड जियोमेट्रिक फोर्थ सेमेस्टर।
यस मैम।
ठीक है, मैं चेक कर लेती हूँ।
ओके मैम।
और बाकी लोग के अटेंडेंस हो गए?
हम कर रहे हैं मैम अभी अटेंडेंस।
सब्जेक्ट नोट कर दिया मैम।
रोशन, यू आर lateral entry?
नहीं मैम, पेमेंट शीट।
रोशन, तुम्हारा नेम शो नहीं कर रहा है। मे बी तुम इनरोल्ड हो, एक बार अच्छे से चेक कर लो।
मैम चेक किया और अटेंडेंस बना रहा है तो नॉट इन ऑल सब्जेक्ट बता रहा है।
तो मैं चेक करती हूँ।
रोशन दूग हो गया मैम।
दूसरे का इनरोल्ड है, तुम्हारा इनरोल्ड नहीं हुआ है क्या?
मेरा स्टूडेंट आईडी है लास्ट में
ईमेल
21।
आईडी क्या है? ईमेल आईडी क्या है रोशन?
रोशन कुमार DNR 123
देखो, तुम इनरोल्ड हो, तुम्हारा एक्टिव भी दिखा रहा है। ठीक है, तुम ऑलरेडी इनरोल्ड हो रोशन।
बट ये अटेंडेंस बना रहे तो नॉट इन ऑल बता रहा है मैम।
उसमें मैं क्या करूं? तुम फिर से लॉग इन करो अपना। ट्राई टू लॉग इन अगेन।
ठीक है मैम, देखता हूँ।
Okay, so what we studied in last class? What we studied in last class?
Yes ma'am.
I think in last class we discussed about photogrammetry and also solved some numerical related to a scale of photogrammetry, a scale of aerial photograph or relief displacement. Okay, so today we started new topic of surveying, that is GIS, GPS and remote sensing. GIS, GPS and remote sensing. So what is GIS? GIS, full form of GIS. GIS and GPS. Please answer. What do you mean by GIS and GPS?
Geographic Information System and Global Positioning System.
GIS, Geographical Information System, and GPS is the Global Positioning System. Okay. So where we use GIS, and also what is the importance of GIS and GPS in surveying? Why we studied GIS and GPS in surveying? You all already know something or little bit more about GIS and GPS. So GIS is a technical field technology. GIS is a technology that incorporates geographical features with tabular data in order to map. So first we have to study about GIS.
हाँ ठीक है
Roshan, mute your audio. Roshan.
नहीं ऊपर है मैम
Okay. So what is GIS? Geographical Information System. So GIS is a technological field that incorporates geographical feature with tabular data in order to map. And also this data analyze and access to real world problem. So from GIS, from Geographical Information System, we get data. Okay, we get data related to map or related to any others. Okay, and analyze this data, and then get information. Okay. So GIS is a computer system capable of assembling and storing. So it is also a computer system which is capable of assembling, storing, and also manipulating as per requirement, and then displaying geographical references information. Okay, that means that data which we get from this technology, GIS technology, that data identify according to their location, and also partitioner also regard to total GIS as including operating personnel, and that data go into the system. Okay, so basically from GIS system, from this technology, GIS technology, we get a different types of data, and by analyzing this data, we get information related to that real world. ओके, इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू रियल वर्ल्ड। रियल वर्ल्ड मतलब जो एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है ऑलरेडी, जिसके बारे में हमने डाटा एक्सेस किया है, जिसके बारे में डाटा हमने कलेक्ट किया है, उस डाटा को एनालाइज करके हम लोग करेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन हमें मिल सकता है। ओके, so GIS can also show many different kinds of data on one map. Okay, with the help of GIS we can different types of data from one map, and this is enable people to more easily see, analyze and understand pattern and relationship. Okay, so by GIS, with the help of GIS, we get different types of data in one map only, and by this data we can correlate or analyze easily all the things, and also understand the pattern, the geography exists on the earth surface, plant exists, where is the forest, where is the density, population, every kind of data we can get from one map with the help of GIS. Okay, as for example, by using GIS we can also analyze or map. Okay, and also pollution, gas emission, geographical information, how much people are sensitive, how much plants are sensitive to pollution, where the wetland, where the dry land. This all type of data we can get through GIS on map. So one software is for collecting this data, no ArcGIS. ArcGIS. Okay. This is software. With the help of this software, we analyze the GIS data. Okay. Name of software is ArcGIS. So next is the development of GIS. So history of development of GIS. So first time GIS created by Dr. Roger. First time GIS created by Dr. Roger. Okay. Dr. Roger Tomlinson. And it introduced GIS in 1960. 1960 in Canada. Okay. Who is invented GIS? First time introduced GIS by Dr. Roger Tomlinson in 1960, and where it is developed in Canada. Okay. So during its inception, this system was mainly made for that time